Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. Today, we're exploring special taxes and property tax in Sweden, providing insights into less commonly discussed but equally important aspects of the Swedish tax system. In this video, we'll cover several key areas. We begin with an overview of property tax in Sweden, discussing its calculation and implications. Next, we'll delve into unique taxes like the church tax and understand its significance. We'll also examine capital gains tax and how it's applied to different forms of investment. Lastly, we'll touch upon the historical context and current status of the wealth tax in Sweden. Let's start with the intricacies of property tax. Property tax in Sweden applies to both residential and commercial properties. This tax is calculated based on the assessed value of the property. Several factors, including location, size, and property type, play a role in this assessment. It's important to note that Sweden's property tax system aims to be fair and proportional to the property's value. Additionally, there are certain exemptions and reductions available, such as for primary residences or properties used for specific purposes. Now let's look at the church tax in Sweden. Church tax in Sweden is an interesting aspect of the tax system. It's a voluntary tax paid by members of the Church of Sweden. The rate varies depending on the parish, but it generally constitutes a small percentage of one's income. This tax contributes to the maintenance of church buildings and activities. For those not belonging to the church or those who opt out, this tax is not applicable. Now let's take a look at capital gains tax in Sweden. Capital gains tax in Sweden is levied on profits made from selling assets like stocks, real estate, and business interests. The tax rate varies depending on the type of asset and the duration for which it was held. Long-term holdings may benefit from reduced rates. Understanding how capital gains tax is applied is crucial for anyone involved in investment activities in Sweden. Now let's take a look at the wealth tax in Sweden. The wealth tax in Sweden, though no longer in effect since 2007, has a significant historical context. It was a tax on an individual's total wealth. We will explore why it was implemented, its impact on the economy, and the reasons leading to its abolishment. Understanding the history of the wealth tax gives us insights into Sweden's evolving approach to taxation and fiscal policy. For more detailed insights into Sweden's tax system, including advanced topics and updates, visit our iCalculator website. Our resources are frequently updated to bring you the most accurate and detailed tax information. Find the link in the description below. That concludes our video on special taxes and property tax in Sweden. You should now have a clearer understanding of these specific tax areas. In our next video, we'll focus on tax rules for expatriates and non-residents in Sweden. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.